Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make the best kefir, only way. Start by gathering fresh whole milk, active kefir grains, a glass jar, and a breathable cover. Keep everything clean. Use non-metal utensils and pour milk gently to avoid disturbing grains. Let the jar sit undisturbed at room temperature for about 24 hours, checking texture and taste until it reaches a pleasant tang and thickness. For predictable results, taste your kefir periodically and record timing and temperature for future batches. Straining with a plastic or nylon sieve protects grains and makes transfer easy. If kefir becomes too sour, move it to the fridge to slow fermentation and preserve texture. Reserve a cup of finished kefir as starter if you need to boost a slow batch, and always store grains in fresh milk between uses to keep them active. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple food tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs weirdly well with making kefir because both teach patience and steady habits. Think compound interest of culture and cash. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Flavoring is best after fermentation so probiotics remain active and flavors balance naturally. Add vanilla, fresh berries, or a dash of cinnamon and stir gently. Let flavors meld for a few hours in the fridge. Store finished kefir in airtight jars for up to 2 weeks and freeze portions in ice cube trays for smoothies or cooking. Keep a small reserve of grains in milk to avoid restarting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.